Welcome to today's news.
SSC CHSL 2025 registration starts for 3,131 vacancies. Staff Selection Commission SSC has released the notification and started the online registration application process for the combined higher secondary level CHSL examination 2025. Candidates can apply for SSC CHSL 2025 up to July 18 through the official website https ssc.gov.in. SSC CHSL 2025 important dates to remember. Dates for submission of online applications June 23 to July 18 11 pm. Last date and time for making online fee payment July 19 11 pm. Dates for application form correction and payment of correction charges July 23 to 24 11 pm. Schedule of Tier 1 computer based examination September 8 to 18. Schedule of Tier 2 computer based examination February to March 2026. Toll-free helpline number to be called in case of any difficulty in filling up the application form 180030930663. SSC CHSL 2025 age, qualification and more details. Candidates should be between 18 to 27 years on January 1, 2026, meaning only those candidates who were born not before January 2, 1999 and not after January 1, 2008 are eligible to apply. Relaxation in the upper age limit will be given to reserved category candidates as per rules. For the data entry operator DEO grade A in Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Culture and Staff Selection Commission post, candidates need to pass class 12 in the science stream with mathematics as a subject. For the LDC, JSA and DEO grade A except DEOs in department ministry post, candidates need to pass class 12. Candidates who have appeared in their class 12th board examination can also apply, but they must possess the essential qualification on or before January 1, 2026. The SSC CHSL 2025 application fee is ₹100. Women, SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen candidates eligible for reservation are exempted from payment of the application fee. For more details, candidates can visit the official notification of SSC through the official website at https ssc.gov.in. Get the latest educational news, career news, job news, exam news, latest updates and notification for central government, state government, bank, SSC, banking, UPSC, UGC NET, TET, SET, railway, post office and other jobs. Visit the channel Study for Sure with Stella. Address https www.youtube.com/@studyforsure with Stella.
Thank you.